well, let's take a look at replacing the oil pressure sending unit on this 2001 Dodge Intrepid 2.7 liter. Now I'm underneath the vehicle here trying to do a little bit of a trick photography shot here. You can see the oil filter and then you can see the sending unit up here. So I'm going to reach in. It looks like somebody's been here before and has broken the tab off this. So ideally we're going to want to replace the connector for this vehicle. You can see there's a little bit of oil gets seeped out of that as well. So it's certainly time to replace our sending unit, but also we want to replace that connector. So I'm going to take my 1 1/16 deep socket or special oil pressure sending unit socket, get it up on the unit itself, and thread it out. Now obviously we want to do this with the vehicle as cool as we can get it, because we're working near the exhaust, and obviously the oil is going to be a little warm as well. But that's not always the option we're given. So we don't have to worry about the system being pressurized or anything like that. So I'm simply going to have my new unit ready to thread in here once I get the old one out. It'll help minimize any mess. And you can see we've got some oil leaking out there. Good thing we've got a catch pan down below so we don't make too much of a mess on the floor. And I'll take my new unit, thread it in by hand. And you can see that there's sealing tape already on it. Once I've got it comfortably started, I'll take my socket and ratchet, run it in the rest of the way, and we'll get in there and get it snug down comfortably. We don't want to reef on this. About 27 inch-pounds is the torque spec here. So we'll just comfortably tighten that up. Now once we've got it on there, we'll take our new connector ideally. In this case we're going to use the old one just for the sake of illustration. But in order to do the job right, I am going to go ahead and replace the pigtail here. We plug it in, and just like that, the job is done. We might want to clean up our mess a little bit as well, but you get the understanding now of what's required to replace the oil pressure sending unit on a 2001 Dodge Intrepid 2.7 liter.